Oh, damn it, you didn't do it. Hold on. Okay. Alright, Walter. Do it! Okay. Let's go.
I'm a scared kitty cat.
One more kitty. One more kitty flip.
Yeah, dude. I couldn't find my like brush thing, so I might have to get another one.
Here. I know where you can go to actually get some cheap ass ones. Actually, you probably don't even have to buy it.
I don't have to buy it.
No, just go into that car right there.
Oh my god.
You sell just this kind of shit all the time. But just don't ask me.
Just don't tell him.
Jesus, Justin.
What's up?
Is that it for you?
Yeah.
So what is that fancy little thing?
It's my camera. I make videos about my life on the internet.
It's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Gotta just walk really, really gentle, so it's not wobbly in the picture.
Gentle shot? No.
Gentle shot. Oh, got a nuclear bomb over there. And the 97 Toyota Camry. Skirt, skirt, everybody.
Skirty skirt, skirt.
Skirt, skirt. Up here.
I don't think that's gonna work. Oh my gosh. This is sketchy.
Hold on. Sick magnetic. I don't think so. Okay, but this is sticky. I know that for sure.
Okay, alright. I'm sorry.
Nope. Let's not do that. ribs.